Aromatic chicken sticks are an excellent option for a tasty and light dinner or a delicious appetizer. Here's how to prepare the Italian version of this dish. Ingredients: 500 grams of chicken breast, 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 lemon, grated zest, breadcrumbs, flour, 2 eggs, salt and pepper to taste, extra virgin olive oil for frying, or vegetable oil if you prefer a more classic frying method. Preparation: cut the chicken breast into sticks about 1 centimeter in width and 5 to 6 centimeters in length. In a bowl, prepare a marinade with finely chopped garlic, grated lemon zest, chopped rosemary, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Place the chicken sticks in the marinade and let them flavor for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Prepare 3 deep plates. In the first, put some flour. In the second, beat the eggs with a pinch of salt. And in the third, arrange the breadcrumbs. Take the chicken sticks from the marinade, coat them first in the flour, then in the egg, and finally in the breadcrumbs, making sure the breading adheres well. In a large pan, heat plenty of oil, and when it's hot, fry the sticks until golden, turning them periodically for even cooking. Drain the sticks on paper towels to remove excess oil. Serve the sticks hot, accompanied by lemon wedges, and if you like, choose a dipping sauce, such as lemon or mustard-flavored mayonnaise. Curiosity: this recipe is a simple way to enjoy chicken, but with an aromatic twist given by rosemary and lemon, which give the dish a scent and flavor that is thoroughly Italian. Moreover, the use of oils like extra virgin olive oil for frying, although unconventional, can add an extra touch of Mediterranean flavor to the dish, making it lighter and more digestible compared to classic frying.